Hi everyone, I'm Nadja, and welcome to one of 7 simple things to instantly improve your collaboration. We are Generation Purpose and we make purpose work. Today, get it done together. The best things in life, as well as in collaboration, happen when we are in the flow zone. In the flow zone, we learn, we move things forward, we get things done, we have success moments. We are neither overwhelmed nor underwhelmed. Normally, when we collaborate with others, we experience this. We sit around a table or in a Zoom meeting and we discuss about things. We discuss about things that are not finished. We show each other things that are not finished and we criticize them. We talk about what's not working, how to solve problems, setting new criteria, asking questions and things like that. Then we go back to our home offices or in front of our screens or into our corner offices and we work on those things that we have discussed. Maybe we align with others along the way, but it's pretty much us working on those things on our own. And then we go back to this Zoom meeting or this table and we discuss again and we criticize and we set criteria and we ask a question. And it's a constant back and forth between being in meetings and trying to get stuff done. Wouldn't it be better to get things done together, to finish things together, instead of going back and forth from meetings to trying to work on things? This is possible. Drum roll, please. Introducing the Get It Done session. The Get It Done session is an idea from the Agile practice, which we have simplified a bit. It's a sort of sprint. It uses a chunk of time, a time box, in which we want to create something that is finished together. There are 4 things you need in the recipe to do a Get It Done session. You need stuff that needs to get done. Then you need a few hours of time, online or on site. This can be 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours a day. It doesn't matter. It's just a chunk of time that you decide this is the time we use to get our stuff done. Then you need people who want to help you get that stuff done. This can be your normal team you work with every day, but it can also be an ad hoc team, people you invite to help you get stuff done that come from other places and have maybe expertise that you don't have. The 4th thing you need is someone from the group who is willing to put on the hat of a facilitator, who's not just collaborating with everybody, but just helping everybody to collaborate well and make sure that there are good discussions, that there are good practices in place, that there is some fun, that there are breaks, and that everybody has fun during the Get It Done session. The basic version of a Get It Done session is to come together and to decide together what do we want to get done today in those 2, 3, 4 hours or whatever time frame you have. Then deciding who wants to work on what to make sure that we move in the direction of getting stuff done. When are we showing each other first results to get feedback and then finish things? And how can we finish what we started, make sure that, there's a pragmatic spirit and things are done rather than perfect. It might help to use something like a Kanban board, which you see here, where you see, what are we doing now, who is working on what is ready for the next feedback round, what is already done, and what is stuff that still could get done. This visual thing helps everybody to see what's happening and to have clarity together during the Get It Done session. What happens when you work like that is that obviously things get finished. Projects move along smoother and faster. I have a lot of projects where I only work in Get It Done sessions where we meet, say, every Wednesday morning to get stuff done. And during the other time, I have time for other things, other projects, and my mind is free and at ease during that rest of the time. Resources are used for doing things rather than just talking about them, and it is much more satisfying and fun. But there's much more happening. There is stuff happening that's really valuable for collaboration long term. Everyone helps each other. Everyone gets to know each other better, gets to know each other's skills better. Skills are transferred in the team. There is a higher alignment on purpose and goals, and the results match the expectations because you are working on them together. So when are you planning your next Get It Done session? Have fun and let us know how it goes. Bye bye!